Me want my man them same way.
Why? You bumbo clot, yo. Yo, dog. Yeah, man, me there, man. And me and Kartel there, brother.
Why?
No.
No man no there.
Me there with Kartel, me there with...
Why me no there? No way.
True, you know, brother. You call my phone for, brother. Eh?
Yeah, true. Why, Yardie?
Road! Bumbo clot, dog.
You lose your true now?
Yeah, me know. How for man this?
Why? This is my player.
Okay.
I remember me have one.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
But no man.
No man. Deuce na your head.
Why for you dose?
Bumbo clot. Yo, see the man the back of you know.
Why?
Brother, a game we are play, we can't say that, man. Sure.
6, me hitch up and dime.
Why? Boy, you hitch up under him.
Shit. I mean this?
Yeah. If you touch your man, you have to move, you know.
Why not touch no man?
I'm not stressful to play with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6,
Boy,
jump me.
Why me not jump no man, you know? See the man if he dead, you know, take the man now. What me say?
Labour right on a just blood clot dead. Thinking labour right on a just dead. On a just blood clot dead. Wanna make me go up on my farm? On a pig gonna go get this at time, man. No worry no blood clot self. Pig gonna worry about. Big nose Andrew, you're just dead. One idea just cook down in my brain look wild. And it's a pressure. Watch me on your dirty blood clot.
I said, remember we're going with 14. And we come out with 29. So remember say when we check in back in, we now have to say 40. Because 39, oh good. Remember no man, thank you.
Bang the line, then we build Chandra. Cyber crime, we study art and craft. Fly, we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Bang the line, then we build Chandra. Cyber crime, we study art and craft. Fly, we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Girl Chris put through down the ballon.
Hey you, Mr. Andrew Holness, is a board you walk across your head. Cause from what you hear you talk off your mouth, and you not talk nothing for the youths them. Brother, when the first time you come out and run, you not tell the Jamaican people them say, them I go can't sleep with them door open. Why no Jamaican can't sleep with them door open right now? Eh? After you come in power, you don't realize I grill the people them have to put up, brother. You always a board you walk across your head, brother. You come and talk about people can't leave them door open. For win the Jamaican people them, and now you win them. Then what? You sell out the whole of Jamaica. You get me? I say, and you are the Prime Minister of Jamaica. This is one of the highest rate of little young youth ever dead in Jamaica. You ever see so much young youth die out of Jamaica yet? At the age of 14, 15, 16? In Jamaica, brother, as a Prime Minister. And they dead in the hands of police. Young youth will deserve a second chance. You are send police for them. I talk about send them to the Creator. Send them to the maker. Send them to jail. Come on, Andrew Holness. Bro, you're not for run again. You batty up the whole of Jamaica. You take money from America to promote Battyism. And see Trump come change all of that. Why Jamaica still support Batty, man? I don't know why we talk about it. My country never used to support that. Somebody have to stand up, brother. The whole of we can't stand up like baboon. You want a boat cross your head. That me I try to tell you. You fuck up Jamaica, brother. We tired of you, bro. A time for you come out. Me don't know about the next party. But me know say anything after you I go better than you. We willing to give somebody else. We willing to give a dog a chance. But you're done. Nobody enough to vote for you. And everybody who have vote for you. You say, hold on, who not kill half young youth them. Who not see what Andrew Holness do? Who not blind? Andrew Holness open up mag. We never open up a supermarket. We never open up a gas station. And them man they want burial ground and they want mag for send nobody go. That's why they are so into sending you to Jamaica because he make money every time him send you to Jamaica. Fucking Prime Minister on the app. On the app, not Prime Minister General. That me I try to tell you. And stop playing with the thing.
And Mr. Prime Minister, win election, hear me I say, more than mind. You get every police by the camera. That's the only thing I want. Do. If you ain't do nothing for Jamaica, bro, just give every police. Me I beg you, just give them somebody camera. Do. You see me? You know, just get me afraid. Bro, watch out when police pull me over, I'm afraid. I swear upon my life, yo. I'm afraid of fuck. Not even gunman, I'm not fear again. I'm afraid police more than gunman. So give them somebody camera, please.
One thing for you sure, one thing I know for you sure, say. Me very corrupt. Me delete around 1,000 labor rights from my page and all over the internet. As I no pop up on my say, I don't want a friend from the labor rights. If you're a labor right and you follow me, I'm your friend, and follow me blood clot. And block me pussy clot because I don't want a friend from me. Eat like I do a blood clot. Because I know my blood clot suffer, we don't know the dirty blood clot. Vaganist, bagavan, dark shit, dirty labor rights. You no move up no pussy hole and hand follow me nasty blood clot. You no hand follow me bumbo clot. My friend from the labor right, no follow me a pussy clot. No like me post, I'm go suck. You no move and go away. Me take labor right, me take politicians serious. Me take elections serious. And I say Andrew blood clot wicked to in a Kobe and all about something. And I still come go like so no blood clots, you know. And follow me pussy women and a friend from no. No want a friend if you not labor right and you know you follow me. You see that video and follow me pussy wall. Me no have here no followers. Me no want a friend from me no want a friend.
You see all I want to bomb while voting Andrew Jamaica. Let me tell you this. It's when you start hungry down there. And hungry start twisting the tribe, make sure you don't call we a foreign and tell us say we don't need help down the hard. Cover your blood clot hard too. Make sure you don't call Andrew, because you vote him in for one third term. And when say Andrew is for the rich. So say all I want to know, hungry belly people down there, we fool poor people and voting Andrew. You don't call we a foreign and we not come ball to it. Because all I want to mind things, so we don't get 32,000 for pay. When? If we don't get 32,000, every blood clot thing are raised down there. Everything we not go hit rat, dog and puss down there and bullfrog. Because every blood clot thing are go raise. If we don't get 32,000 for we not pay, why we not fool no blood clot? Them brainwash you know, every day. Me not do politics, you know, because I never get no out of politics. But remember, me I tell you, so we not call with blood clot phone. And we not come ball to it over here. Ball to God or go ball to Andrew. I'm out. Me I go to my blood clot work with pay me. I don't have no time for no. I want no politics.
Holness, kneel. You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear, paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of them TV. Feeder scale is out here. The ear, Holness. You myself know. Come on, baby, make me kneel it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock your ear. Kneel. Club of them TV, your ear, Holness.
Andrew Holness a shit in a plate. Andrew Holness a shit in a plate. We don't want to know this blood clot here. I want you again. Yeah, somebody might be Andrew Holness. You don't know nobody. PMP to the blood clot world. We say, boys and girls, use the 2 man in school. Andrew Holness, we used to ride pen pal when we used to go to school. Who the fuck you take us for? Big up the one at PMP them in the hand over. Alright. Let's talk about the blood clot land them you know. Hear this now. Never tell you no, when the hand over one thing on the blood clot no. One place down there so. Name hand over agency. All who used to work in the hand over. They used to go and say borrow blood clot money from hand over agency. For their land. You hear me? And guess what, boy? Andrew Holness, no. To the 2025. Now we are telling about from blood clot. 1976, 1980. What's up, your mother with your show? Here I go. Listen me now. 19 blood clot 80. And 70 the people that are going over Barabamba clot money for their land. Meet a land blood clot buyer in this. America and Jamaica go suck on the mother. Listen me now. All of the land them in the hand over.
have borrowed blood clot money from Hanover agency. So what the boy them do, you know, they treat the blood clot people them. And tell them lie. Say them blood clot land. Hanover agency response to the land. Hanover agency go suck your mother. Use an agency. We don't respond by no agency. We don't deal with things by force. And I tell the people to put no trespassing sign on the land and tell Andrew to suck his mother brawling. I God bless. Say that blood clot there. So one of my mother artists said, don't put the mic on him. Tell them what I'm going in Hanover.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. We don't care who get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and ground. The war start and I start done. Them a try hard to beat me. The pussy them a try.
Pull up after you and I first and I last. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up. I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a time out.